Hello! Today I'm going to be looking at how to set up a group of Glow users or a distribution list for emailing people. So first of all, I'm going to access my emails on Glow. To do that, I'm going to search for bit.ly/Glow email. Then I will be asked to log in the normal Glow login screen. If you're not sure about your Glow login details, please get in touch with SBC Glow. First time you log in, you'll be met with a screen that asks you for a different email address. This is so if you get yourself locked out, you'll be able to get yourself easily back on. This should then take me to my Outlook email. So, to create a group of people, or a distribution list as you may well know it, how to do that is I would simply go to groups, and you'll see there's a little plus sign pops up. So, when I click that, it'll then ask me about creating a group. And it says how a group provides space for shared conversation, files, and a group calendar. Obviously, this also then lets you email a whole group of people with one email instead of having to add everyone individually. So, I'm going to create this for the fellow development officers in SBC. So I will call it SBC Development Officers. I'll put in a 2 because I may have created one earlier. Group ID, this comes up with the wee name, and this just means so that that's a list that you can then use. A description is available there. That's just in case anyone else sees this group, wants to join it. So I'll just call this a group for SBC DOs. Privacy, so you can then choose to have this as a public list or a group so that other people can see it, can join and see what's inside, or you can choose to make it private. And then only people who are then added to that will be able to see the stuff. So I'm going to choose as private for the moment. You then have the option to subscribe members so they receive group conversations in their inbox. I'm going to choose that. What that will then mean is that this will come to them through emails. All I then do is go up to the top and click create. Once I've done that, it'll then ask me to start adding members. So to do this, all that it uses is the directory that I showed you in the last video. So I'm going to first of all search for myself, and I come up because I'm a contact, so I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to search for someone else, and then you'll see it'll come up. If they have a little picture, it obviously makes it really useful because they're there. But I'm going to click on that. If you're not sure if you've added the right person, if you then click on them, it'll pop up and it'll tell you where they're working about, and it should also tell you the school they're in. So I'm going to then continue adding the other development officers. You'll notice here that it is only staff that are popping up. The directory only has staff, so I imagine it would be that one. Yeah, that looks about right. When you're finished then, it's simply a case of then clicking at the top left, add. So now that we've done that, you'll see it pops up here as a little group now. It comes with a pre-created icon. If you want to change that, you can click the little pencil and choose something else, and it tells you everything that's going on in it now. So you've got a place to have conversations, a place to store files between you, and you can also create a calendar. So this would be especially useful if you're maybe creating a group for all the staff at your school, and you could have a shared calendar for everyone to be working with. So if I was wanting to then message group, I would just type something in. If I wanted to add a file to that, I would just click the little file icon, and I'm going to share with them something from my OneDrive, so I'll click on my files, and then if I do all technology start, and I'll send it as an attachment, and then I'll pop it in there. When I'm finished that, I'll then simply click send, and I'll send it like such. Then the next person to come along can click it. They can click to reply all, or of course they can start a new conversation. You'll notice that this has popped up. This is just a little email. So when other people come along, they can click on files, and that'll take them to just a shared view of all the files that have been sent in that conversation when it eventually pops up. Yep, so it does that through your OneDrive. So there's nothing yet, but there will be very soon. Just takes a wee while for the files to actually get on. So the other thing, like I said, that is very useful is the calendar. To get the calendar, you just click the little ellipse there, and you can choose calendar, and that'll pop up like such. And I'll take away that one. The other way of finding this would be to click on the little tile icons in the top left hand corner, and then go into the option of calendar. To add things in, you just simply click new, or you can just double click and you can type in an event, such as a DO meeting, and then click save, and then that'll pop up. You can obviously see as a month, as a week, or as a day, so there's options up there to use. That was just a quick look at how the group looks. It may also be worthwhile noting that if I go back to the group, it does also have the option of having a shared OneNote notebook. So this could be incredibly useful if you're wanting to collaborate with each other. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.